this is one of the comments magod na among nakuha sa katong video about 4 bank accounts. Dapat natay cash flow account, which is dara mo sulod atong kwarta, and then essential expenses dara po nato kwaon, and then emergency, investment, and desires. Based sa iyang comment, disod daw kay ni siya himuon pag imuhang income is sakto lang to put food on the table, which is tama mapod. But here's the thing, now that you recognize the problem na igo-igo lang jud ang imuhang income para sa pagkaon, then the solution is very simple, which is to increase your income. Simple siya in terms of principle, but it's kind of difficult in terms of action. Now the question is, how can we increase our income? Pwede ka mag-offer mga services nimo, pwede ka mangita og part-time job, pwede ka magkaroon og sideline. Ang pinakadali pod is to audit your skills. Kung unsay mga kakayahan nimo, basig kabalo ka magluto, basig kabalo ka maglaba, basig kabalo ka maayo og mga butang na ikaw lang jud ang makabalo, or at least man lang naa kay nahibaw-an na kinahanglan nila ang imuhang skills, then you offer that particular skills to that person in exchange for money. That's really how it works eh. Pag naa kay kakayahan na pwede nimo ma-offer sa marketplace, then you get paid. Ngano makabayaran sa isa ka butang kuha kay pulos. Now that you recognize the problem, the solution is to increase your income, and how to do that is by offering your skills to the market para na kay makuha na kwarta. And eventually, the food that you put on the table is enough, and then napad yung kay extra na funds for emergencies, investments, and desires. So if you have any other questions about finances, butang lang sa comment section.